So you're in Florida now, but it sounds like you've done a lot of traveling and you plan to do a lot of traveling. How did this all start?
Yeah, well, so that's a loaded question for sure. Right now, I'm actually in the process of selling my house so I can work remotely full time around the world.
Amazing.
I have actually been to 36 countries and 29 states so far in the past
That
eight
is
years.
impressive.
And yeah. So I really just love learning about other cultures. I just got back from El Salvador a couple of weeks ago, or last week, yeah. And it was incredible. So it all started from very humble beginnings because I'm born and raised in the town just next to me, which is Jensen Beach, Florida.
No
And when
way!
Yeah,
That's literally I graduated high school from I was the second graduating class of Jensen Beach.
we
Right
were probably in the same high school
Yeah,
because
right, like, after it was built, because the first graduating class and
yeah,
then I was the second graduating class.
wasn't the first graduating 4-year class? Oh well, that was 4-year class was 2009 or something. Yeah.
I
Anyways,
graduated in '07.
oh, okay, nice. Yeah. The first 4-year graduating class was 2009, and that's when I started high school. Yeah. So that's
Yes.
awesome.
Oh
We
my
both
god.
went to Jensen.
Love that, and actually my mom still lives in Jensen, and I see her all the time, so I'm gonna see her this week, I'm excited, but that is so
I love
cool, you said Jensen, I was like, "No way." So, I mean, it's a small world, I love it, I love it.
It really is. It really is. Yeah, I know. It's funny. It happens to me all the time. I actually someone who I went to high school with, I was in Prague last summer and literally ran into them and asked them to take a photo of us, but I didn't know it was her at first. And I was like, wait a sec. I was like, wait a
No
second, didn't
way.
we go to high school together? It's really crazy.
Love
Yeah,
when that happens because it's a synchronicity,
it
it's
really
I
is.
truly believe in that. So, tell me more
Yeah.
about your other synchronicities in your life.
Yeah. So I grew up in Jensen Beach, Florida. My family didn't have a lot of money, so I actually never really went on vacations as a kid. And I just really realized this a couple of years ago, where I was like, wow, I don't think I've ever been like I was never on a vacation as a kid. We like
'Cause
traveled to visit family. What?
you live on the beach, but you probably wanted to travel as a kid, right?
Yeah. Well, I think naturally, like, we're like, oh, what's out there, right? Or maybe, sometimes, a lot of the times, maybe people might be a little bit afraid of it. But I, got to go to Dominican Republic as a kid, where my mom was from, and Pennsylvania. Like, those are the only two places I went.
Yeah, that's a far worlds apart, yeah.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, in Florida. So, that was what I had. But then when I started to grow up, I really went into like the American dream they tell you to get, right? Like, get the job, go to school, like, get the husband, do all the things. And I was in a 4-year relationship that I wasn't really happy with. I was taking care of my dad full time, working full time, going to school full time. And that was in my early 20s. And ended up losing my dad, which was a huge rock of my world. And after that happened, I really realized how short life was. And I was like trying to purchase a house and like do all the things, and things just weren't working out for me. Or I kind of got into this screw it moment where I was like, nothing is working out. Screw this. I'm going to travel. And that's when I decided to backpack Europe and study abroad. So I studied abroad for 1 month in Czech Republic and Hong Kong in 2018. Then I stayed in Europe and backpacked to 10 different countries with my best friend. And that changed my world forever. And that's what opened my eyes to travel, like from a small town girl to like, oh my God, the world is so big and you shouldn't have to have a lot of money to be able to travel. So that's really where it all kicked off.